Good morning to everybody. So we are doing the exercise 11.3. We completed 3 questions in that. 11.3. We will start the question number. We will start the question number 4 today. Am I right? Now what is the given question for you? The question is, a gardener wants to fence. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Circular garden of diameter, it is given that 21 meter. Am I right? Then what will be the radius? The radius is half of the diameter, that is half of d, that is equal to half of 21, which is equal to 21 by 2 meter. Okay, we found the radius. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, also find the cost of the rope if its cost rupees 4 per meter. 4 per meter. Then required length of the rope, that is equal to 2 times the circumference of the circle. Am I right here? What is that? Required length of the rope. Required length of the rope equal to 2 times the circumference of circle, because he wants to fence around the circle 2 rounds. Am I right? So required length of the rope equal to 2 times the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. Please remember, this is a keyword. When we hear fencing, means you have to find the perimeter. Fencing means you have to find the perimeter. If they are leveling the ground, then you have to find the area. This is the keyword. Please remember. Okay, if he wants to fence around the circle field, so we are finding the circumference of the circle. It is nothing but 2 times the circumference of circle. That is 2 into 2 pi r. 2 into 2 pi r. The value of pi anything is given. You have to take that value. Otherwise, you can take pi value is 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is what here? 21 by 2. Now cancel, now 2 cancel. 177, 3 7s are 21. 22 into 2, 44 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 132 centimeter. Which is the required length of the rope. Which is the required length of the rope. Now the cost of rope is given. That is cost of 1 meter rope is how much it's given for you? It is meter. It is given in meter. Am I right? Yes. Now what is the cost of 1 meter rope? Cost of 1 meter rope equal to rupees 4, it is given for you. Therefore the total cost of 132 meter rope, that is equal to 132 into 4. Am I right here? Yes. So 4 2s are 8, 3 4s are 12, remaining 1, rupees 528. Rupees 528, which is the total cost of the rope. Total cost of rope. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Question number 5. Yeah. Look at the question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take the value pi equal to 3.14. Question number 5. What it is given for you? What it is given? From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm. If suppose this is a circular sheet of radius 4 cm. From that, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. A circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. If it is 3 cm. Am I right here? Find the area of the remaining sheet. So this area of the remaining sheet you have to find. Right? Now, area of the, first we find the area of the circular sheet. Radius is what it is given, 4 cm. Let it be capital R. Area of, that is radius of circular sheet. The radius of circular sheet that is radius R, capital R, that is equal to 4 centimeter. We will take it as. Am I right here? And then after that, what it is given? The radius of a circle of radius to be removed R equal to 3 centimeter. A circle of radius. A circle of radius. A circle of radius 3 centimeter to be removed. Am I right? A circle of radius to be removed is how much? To be removed R equal to 3 centimeter. R equal to 3 centimeter, and given that the value of pi is 3.14 for you. The value of pi is how much? 3.14. Now what do you have to find? Area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet is nothing but area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. You will get the area of the remaining sheet. Am I right? So area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet, that is equal to area of, that is pi capital R square, that is area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle with radius small r. Am I right here? Yes. What you can do now? Capital pi into R square minus small r square you can write. The value of pi is, it is given that 3.14 for you, and then capital R is nothing but how much? 4 square, and then small r is 3 square. Am I right? Yes. Now 3.14, 4 square is 16, 3 square is how much? 9 here. Am I right? Yes. So 3.14, 16 minus 9 is how much dear? 7. So 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 7s are 21. So 21.98 meters square, which is the area of the remaining sheet. Are you getting there? Area of the remaining sheet is nothing but area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Am I right? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Look at the question number 6 now. Look at the question number 6. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. That is question number 6. Diameter is given 1.5 meter. Then radius will be 1.5 by 2 meter. Okay. We found the radius. And then after that, what it is given? Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace costs rupees 15. Take the value of pi is 3.14 it is given. The constant value of pi is what? It is given 3.14 you have to take. Now, she wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table, cover the diameter 1.5 meter. So, what is the required length of the lace? Length of the lace required is what? Length of the lace required. Lace required is nothing but circumference of the circle. If suppose if it is a circular tabletop, she wants to put around the circular table. So you have to find the circumference of the circle. So length of the lace required, that is equal to circumference of the circle. So circumference of circle, what is the circumference of circle formula? 2 pi r. 2 pi r units, that is 2 into the value of pi is, they asked us to take 3.14 and then radius is 1.5 by 2 meter. 2 you can cancel now. So 3.14 into 1.5. 3.14 into 1.5, that is 4 5s are 20, 2 7 1 5 4 1 3 0 11 7 4. You have to correct how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. Then it will be 4.71 meter. 4.71 meter, which is the required length of the lace required. Am I right dear? Yes. And then after that you have to find if the cost of 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. How much? 15. Am I right? So therefore cost of 1 meter lace is what? Cost of 1 meter lace is rupees 15. Cost of 1 meter lace is what? Rupees 15. So you have to find cost of 4.71 meter lace, that is equal to rupees 15 into 4.71. 4.71. 5 7 5 are 35, 3 23 7 1 1 7, 4 here, 5, 6, 10, 7. Am I right? So you have to correct 2 decimal places, then it will be rupees 70.65. Rupees 70.65. Are you getting dear? Yes. Which is the cost of 4.71 meter lace. Am I right? Yes. In the next video, we will do 3 more questions. Thank you everybody. Thank you.